How to delete a TikTok now. Quick tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to delete a TikTok now that you posted. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok Now app, and this is where you will get. We post different TikTok Nows right here on our profile. We have to do it very quickly, and sometimes later we want to delete that, remove that from our account and from our memories. For that, you can either select the one that you just posted, or you can go to your profile icon right here and select the memories. It will show you all of the TikTok now that you have posted. You're going to select the one you want to delete. I'm going to select this one right here. Now, what you need to do is you will click on these three dots at the top, and you can see we have privacy settings, download, and the third option is delete. So you're going to select the option of delete. Delete this now. Again, click on delete, and your TikTok now will be deleted. So if I go back to my memories, you will be able to see that TikTok now has been deleted. You can see it does not exist anymore. This is how you can delete a TikTok now very easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.